Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure permissions and brand assets are ready so changes don't break access. First, set owner and editor roles and confirm viewer previews work. Next, sketch a simple page hierarchy, 1-3 top pages and clear nested sections to limit navigation friction. Then import your assets, logo, hero image at about 1200 x 628, and a 32 x 32 favicon, so you won't stop mid-build. Once done, you're ready to create structured pages and apply consistent styles. You now focus on building pages with clear structure and reusable components. Start by laying out a hero in 16:9, then place feature blocks in 1/2 and 1/2 or thirds for balance. This keeps rhythm across pages. Create reusable header, footer, and CTA blocks so edits propagate. Optimize images to WebP or compressed JPEG, enable lazy load where possible, and include alt text for accessibility and SEO. Once these elements exist, preview on mobile and desktop to validate spacing and readability. You finish by tightening technical details and testing everything end to end. Verify headings follow hierarchy, add meta titles and descriptions, and ensure image alt text and clean URLs for SEO. Connect a custom domain, enforce HTTPS, and add Google Analytics or your tracking tag to monitor visits. Publish and thoroughly test forms, navigation, and mobile layout. Clear caches if changes don't appear. If pages break, check permissions. Stray scripts and console errors. Fix the offending script or revert the last change and republish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.